In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sum a column in Smartsheet quickly and correctly. If you're working with budgets, task hours, expenses, or any numeric data, knowing how to use the sum function properly will save you time and help you avoid manual calculation errors. I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can follow along and do it yourself in less than a minute. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Smartsheet tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, open your Smartsheet and go to the sheet where your data is stored. Make sure you're in grid view so you can clearly see your rows and columns. You should have a column with numbers that you want to total up. This could be a cost column, hours column, quantity column, or any numeric field. Next, click on any empty cell where you want the total to appear. Most people place the total at the bottom of the column, but you can choose any cell depending on how your sheet is structured. Just make sure it's not overlapping important data. Now, inside that cell, type equals sum. As soon as you start typing, Smartsheet will show formula suggestions. This works very similar to Excel, but with Smartsheet's formula structure. From the drop-down suggestions, click on Sum. Smartsheet will automatically insert the sum function with parentheses, and now it's waiting for you to tell it which rows or cells to include in the calculation. Next, select the rows you want to include in the total. You can do this by clicking and dragging over the cells in that column, from the first row you want included down to the last row. As you drag, you'll see the cell range appear inside the formula. Make sure you select only the numeric cells you want summed. Once your range is selected, press Enter on your keyboard. Smartsheet will instantly calculate the total and display the result in the cell where you entered the formula. That's it, your column is now summed automatically. The best part about using the sum formula instead of manually adding numbers is that it updates automatically. If you change any number in the selected range, the total will instantly recalculate. This is extremely helpful for live project tracking, financial sheets, or reports that constantly change. If you ever need to adjust the range, simply click back into the formula cell, edit the highlighted range inside the parentheses, and press Enter again. You can expand or shrink the selection at any time. And that's how you sum a column in Smartsheet. Simple, fast, and much more efficient than doing the math yourself. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Smartsheet tips and step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.